What is the role of navigation systems in UX information architecture? Imagine walking into a library where books are all over the place. You'd feel lost, right? That's why navigation systems are like signs that guide you through content. They help users find their way easily by turning complex information into simple paths. In UX design, navigation systems are the tools like menus, links, buttons, and search bars that connect users to what they need. They make browsing smooth and intuitive. Navigation structures decide how users move through a website or app. For example, hierarchical menus show categories and subcategories, making it clear where everything is. Sequential navigation guides users step by step, perfect for processes like filling out forms or shopping checkouts. Matrix navigation offers choices, letting users pick their own path based on what they want. The pattern depends on the content and what users are trying to do. Good navigation also reduces mental effort. It limits choices at each step so users don't get overwhelmed. When options are relevant and clear, decisions are faster and easier. This keeps users happy and engaged. Navigation also helps users understand the overall structure. Clear labels and organized menus let users build a mental map of the site or app. They can predict where to find information next, which makes the experience feel natural. Consistency is key in navigation. When menus stay in the same place and use the same words, users trust the system. If navigation changes unexpectedly, confusion can happen. Keeping navigation predictable builds confidence and reduces mistakes. Scalability is another important factor. As content grows, navigation should adapt without breaking. A well-planned system can add new sections or features smoothly, without confusing users. In Adobe user interface and publishing tools, like Adobe Experience Design or Adobe Creative Cloud, designers can create prototypes of navigation systems. They can test how users will move through the content before building the final product. Features like wireframing and interactive links help refine navigation patterns. For example, designers can build a menu that reflects the site's content hierarchy, then test it with real users. They can also simulate how navigation works on different devices, ensuring it's responsive and user-friendly everywhere. In practical terms, designing good navigation involves creating clear menus that match the content structure. Prototyping sequential flows for onboarding or checkout processes helps guide users step by step. Testing labels and patterns with real users makes sure navigation is easy to understand. Responsive navigation adapts to mobile phones, tablets, and desktops, keeping the experience consistent. Ultimately, navigation systems act as the bridge between the content structure and the user's experience. They help users find, understand, and use information efficiently. Mastering navigation design with Adobe tools allows designers to craft interfaces that are both functional and enjoyable to use. When navigation works well, users feel confident and satisfied, making the overall experience positive and effective.